Our family really enjoys Star Wars, and we also are huge board game people. We like very strategic type games, so we thought we would give this a try, and we've had it a while, and we really love it. It is one that takes a while to play, and it does have a lot of rules that you have to learn, but once you do that, it is so fun. You get to pick leaders and have battles. You make different strategies, and it works through the original trilogy. And you have a lot of different game pieces that are really well made and just make you feel very immersed in the whole thing. My son and I play this a lot. It's one of our favorite games to play, and we just have a great time with it. Overall, it's a really fun game. It has a lot packed into it, and it's definitely worth it if you're into these type of games. I think it's like a must-have for somebody who's really into strategic games like this and Star Wars. Definitely something that we are glad that we have, and we make use of it often.